What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 7 tricks to build credit fast. There are several ways you may use to raise your credit score rapidly without jeopardizing your credit health. Here are 7 of the best steps you can take to improve your credit score and establish good long-term credit habits. 1. Become an authorized user. Becoming an authorized user is a great choice for parents of teenagers or college students who are just starting to build credit. Authorized users have access to the cardholder's account but are not liable for the bill. If you have a responsible family member, being an authorized user on their account can provide you with the same benefits, including a starting point for growing your credit score, without the responsibility of credit in your name. Furthermore, this is an excellent opportunity to teach teens and students about credit. 2. Apply for a secured credit card. A cash deposit is required as collateral for a secured credit card. This is perfect for new and young credit users, because you are likely to have little to no credit history on which lenders can base their approval. Putting up money gives them something to fall back on if you fail to make payments. Using a secured credit card properly, for a period of time, will help you develop a solid foundation of credit health and open the door to cards with bigger limits and more features. 3. Pay down your debts. Paying off your credit card debt is a no-brainer strategy to improve your credit. Putting more money into your bill payments lowers your credit utilization, improves your payment history, and demonstrates to lenders that you can manage loan payments responsibly. You can reduce your loan payments by employing techniques such as the snowball method. 4. Maintain a modest credit utilization ratio. As previously said, credit use is a significant factor in determining your credit score. Keeping it low demonstrates to the bureaus that you can live within your means and pay your payments on time. All of this adds to a long-term healthy score. 5. Check your credit report on a regular basis. Your credit report is one of the most useful tools you have at your disposal for monitoring your credit health. Every year, you may receive a free credit report from each of the 3 bureaus, and there are a variety of credit monitoring programs to keep track of any changes. 6. Request an increase in your credit limit. Is there any danger in asking? If you've been managing your credit well for some time and are only using 30% of your credit limit, it's worth asking for a credit limit increase. When lenders and banks observe people behaving responsibly, they will often grant these automatically, but occasionally you just have to ask. If you maintain your spending constant, increasing your limit can assist lower your utilization ratio, which can help you improve your score over time. Call your bank or lender and request an increase. 7. Look into credit builder loans. A credit builder loan assists people in improving their credit. The borrower requests a loan but does not receive the funds right away. Instead, they make monthly payments on the account until the debt is completely paid off. The loan money is released to them once the payments are completed. The credit builder loan aids in the development of positive credit by reporting monthly payments to credit agencies. It also teaches you how to save because you get to build up your loan amount with each payment. A credit builder loan does not require a high credit score, but you must demonstrate that you have the income to make the monthly installments. Furthermore, credit builder loans are uncommon. Because many regular banks do not offer this program, you may have to go to a credit union or community bank. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.